Hello, what's up all? Welcome and welcome back again to our channel, All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. As I promised, I had to put this video up on this Friday as a closing video for this year. I did decide to go with this bed transformation because for the past of this year I did a lot of bed transformation, and I decided to close the year with a bed transformation, and I hope you will enjoy this one. So as you have seen the video, I did show you the before, how the bed looked like. It's the normal old bed with these designs, because I've transformed a lot of bed with this design. So normally, as you have seen, I usually cut off the upper part because it's usually curved, and I cannot work with a curved surface because I want a straight surface that I can work with. So now I've already did cut the upper part. Now I'm just cutting or making a new headboard that I'm going to be adding on top of these legs for the old headboard. But everything you see in the video, so if you haven't understood anything, you can just comment down below and I'll get back to you and explain something that you have not understood. So now I'm just joining the pieces together, then after that I'll be adding it to the top of the old headboard. So if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back and watching our videos, commenting on them, liking and sharing. So for this video, don't forget to like it, comment on it, tell me what you think. And I wish you a happy holidays and a happy new year, because we'll be seeing each other next year with new projects, new DIYs, new stuff. But everything will be just a vibe, everything will be educative and enjoyable to watch. So keep watching the video till the end so that you can fully understand all the steps, all the materials that I've used in the video. And if possible, kindly don't skip the ads, just keep them running, so that because that is where we earn our revenue. So just let the ads play on your screen. So what you're seeing me doing here, I'm just drilling holes, because for this design my client wanted a tufted headboard, also the side for the legs. I had to do this. I did draw the pattern. What was remaining was for me to drill them, and after drilling them, I'm going to be attaching this foam here. It's a 2-inch foam. I'm going to be attaching it to the frame, and I've used contact glue. That is, I've applied the contact glue on the surface of the headboard, also on the foam, so that it will stick there firmly. And also for this side, for the legs, as I'm showing you, the client wanted it to raise a bit higher. So here I've just did some modification, whereby I did add some pieces of wood on top of it just to raise it. And after that, I'm going to be making these holes more bigger for the tufting, and I'm using this drill and this bit that you can find it at your local hardware. I don't know if every hardware has it, but you can go and find it in town. And after this, I'm going to be starting that tufting process. So now here, this is the tools, the materials that I've used. You can see I have contact glue, staples gun, measuring tapes, blades, scissors, a tape measure, and this needle that I'm going to be using for the tufting. I have the buttons, I have scissors, and the fabric that I'm going to be using, and that is the fabric my client decided to go with. So now here I'm just doing the tufting, and I'm starting with the upper line, that is the upper side of the headboard going downwards. So just keep watching the video, keep enjoying the video, and don't forget to like it and commenting on it. Give me some likes and comments. Yeah. And for the sides, I'm going to be putting these pieces of wood for the at the sides. It has two purposes. The first one is for the design, because there are these designs that look this way, and also the second one is to make the headboard firm. As you can remember, I had to cut the headboard, the old headboard, so now I have two headboards in short here, the older one and the new one. So these pieces are usually join the two pieces together so that the new headboard will be much stronger and firm. So now this is the final reveal. Kindly tell me what you think about this one in the comment section below. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Happy New Year.